Isn't it amazing that the author spent his entire life in writing a book with great experience and you can grab the whole thing just by reading it in few hours? Like wow. Hey guys, this is Tanya and you're watching Novel Chit Chat. So in today's video, we'll not be talking about any story, but we'll be telling you about top 5 books that you should read even if you hate reading. So these books will teach you different learnings that actually you need for leading a great life ahead. So let's get started. Book number 1, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck by Mark Manson. This book is my favorite and I will highly recommend. So this book says that don't think too much about society or the people around you. It's like don't give a fuck about each and everything, only give a fuck about things that actually matters. The people around you will rate you, break you, judge you no matter how good you are doing. So better not to think about them and keep going, as it's your life and it has nothing to do with them. So The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck is must read book. Book number 2, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari by Robin Sharma. So this book is very light read, easy to understand, and if you are a beginner then this book is for you. Frankly speaking, this was my first book too and I read it, and after this book I started reading more and more. So this book will teach you 7 life-changing principles with the help of a beautiful story. So this story is basically about a person named Julian Mantle who is very rich, he has everything and still he is not happy. And suddenly one day he came to know about 7 secrets to lead a peaceful and happy life ahead. So it's all about his journey and his learnings from it. So do read. Book number 3, The Fault in Our Stars by John Green. Oh my god, you are gonna love this book for sure, so do give it a read. This book speaks about the meaning of life and how it is to live your life while you are dying inside. By reading this book, you will understand how blessed you are and how wonderful your life is. Because some people out there are dying to have a kind of a life you are living in. So this story is about a couple who has high hopes of being together, but it's impossible for them as they both are suffering from cancer and they end up falling apart. So even after having tough life and difficult situations around them, they decide to keep smiling and move on. So do give it a read. Book number 4, Life is What You Make It by Preeti Shenoy. So this is the story about love, hope and how determination can overcome even your destiny. This book says that if you have the courage and passion for your goals, so you can achieve it no matter what. You cannot get success in one day obviously, but with the hard work and dedication, you will get success one day for sure. Moreover, this book also speaks about important topics like mental health and related concepts, so do give it a read. Last but not the least, book number 5, that is The 4 Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz. As the name suggests, so this book will give you 4 agreements that you need to do with yourself for a peaceful life ahead. These 4 agreements are a summary of the mastery of transformation in which you transform hell into heaven. This book is very short and easy to read that you can complete it even in one weekend, so do try it any day. So these were the 5 books that you should not miss reading, and the good news is that I have made a detailed video on all 5 of them, link in the description below. So check it out and grab the whole thing in just a few minutes. Also, subscribe this channel for more amazing updates, and for more good content, do visit our website, link in the description box. Thank you.